Kimray has partnered with LaMOT Valve and Arrestor to provide safe, reliable solutions for your well site storage tanks. LaMOT products can be separated into three main categories: gauge hatches, flame arresters, and relief valves. In this video, we're going to look at the essential steps for adjusting set pressure on LaMOT Pressure vacuum relief valves. LaMOT Valve and Arrestor pressure vacuum relief valves are available in a wide range of pressure and vacuum settings, measured in ounces per square inch, or OSIG. This unit of measure is for very low pressures. It measures relative to the ambient atmospheric pressure, not absolute vacuum. Each valve is equipped with PPS pallet assemblies that are factory calibrated to 0.5 OSIG on the pressure side and 0.4 or 0.5 OSIG on the vacuum side. First, we'll determine what weights need to be added to both the pressure and vacuum side of the valve. Refer to the tag attached to the valve for the specified pressure and vacuum settings. This pallet assembly provides 0.5 OSIG on the pressure side and 0.5 OSIG on the vacuum side. The valve set point is the pallet assembly weight plus the combined total of the calibrated weights. In this example, for a required pressure setting of 5 OSIG, add weights totaling 4.5 OSIG to the pallet assembly. For a required vacuum setting of 1 OSIG, we will add a 0.5 OSIG weight to the pallet assembly. Remove the fasteners and washers from the top of the valve. Lift off the weather hood. Carefully remove the bird screen, being cautious of the sharp edges. Remove the pressure pallet assembly and inspect the metal seating surface and gasket. Remove any dust particles or debris before proceeding. Add the appropriate calibrated weights to the pallet assembly one at a time, sliding the weights on gently to avoid potentially cracking the pressure pallet. Remove the fasteners and washers from the top of the valve on the vacuum side, then lift off the cover. Then remove the guide rod assembly. Remove the vacuum pallet assembly and inspect the gasket and metal seating surface. Add the weight to the pallet. Again, if adding more than one weight, slide them on gently one at a time. Insert the vacuum pallet assembly. Insert the guide rods, making sure they are fully seated. Install the cover and replace the washers and fasteners, making sure the lifting rings are on opposite sides to not impede with the weather hood. Replace the pallet assembly. Reinstall the bird screen over the guide rods. Then place on the weather hood, aligning with the weather post. Secure all fasteners. The lifting rings should be on the side closer to the center of the valve for weight distribution. Reach out to your local Kimray representative today to explore what LaMOT products can do for your operation.